Assalamualaikum and very good day everyone. Today you are going to learn about nervous system together with me, Madam Hayana. So let's get started. From this video, you should be able to describe characteristics of nerve impulse. We are going to discuss characteristics of impulse along axon, which to address how differ will impulse travel based on certain factors. An impulse can be all or none response, which generally means either they are generated or not. They have the refractory period to rest and recover and travel at different speed. They can automatically be generated along the axon through self-propagation. In all or none law, impulse generation depends on threshold level, a minimum voltage to be reached. With weaker stimulus, it generates no impulse. On the other hand, a stronger stimulus can cause depolarization to reach this threshold level, resulting in impulse generation. Refractory period, also known as recovery phase and delayed time of the next action potential. Absolute refractory period present 1 to 2 milliseconds after initiation. Remember that during this period, no new action potential generated because sodium voltage gated channel is inactive. In contrast, relative refractory period, same recovery phase, occurs immediately after absolute refractory period. Compared to absolute, new action potential can be generated because voltage gated potassium channel starts to open. Refractory period is important because it limits frequency of impulse generated and most importantly, impulse won't travel in backward manner. Third characteristic is speed of impulse, which explains rate at which axon conduct action potential. They depend on three main factors: presence of myelin sheath, diameter of axon, and distance of nodes of Ranvier. With myelin sheath present, impulses are capable of traveling in saltatory conduction manner. This is because myelin sheaths act as insulator that allows impulse to jump and only generated at nodes of Ranvier. Traveling speed of impulse is proportional to diameter of axon, which bring about less resistance for larger size axon to allow faster conduction. Finally, nodes of Ranvier that position farther apart can produce faster impulse as less axon must depolarize every time. Last but not least, an impulse has self-propagating effect, which means one action potential automatically triggers neighboring membrane area into producing an action potential.